What is going on, everybody? It is Gordon Xavier here today to share with you guys a couple of ideas revolving around personal evolution and growth, and hopefully these ideas will aid you in moving towards your best version. Today we have a question coming from Whatever G. What is up, man? Whatever G wants to know how to deal with energy vampires in his life. How do you deal with that? How do you deal with people that come into your aura, into your bubble, and begin to drain your energy with negativity, or by complaining, or just simply by their presence? Maybe they're a person that demands a lot of energy and attention in a way that doesn't promote anybody's growth. How do you deal with that? So what I want to do is I want to offer you guys a couple of ideas that hopefully will aid you in your ability to determine what is the next best move, so that everybody leaves the table in a way in which we're growing and we're happy. So we're going to start off with the most obvious of options for you, and that is to distance yourself from this person. You don't have to completely cut them off, but spend more time away from them than you would spend around them. And here's the thing, you don't have to feel bad for that. A lot of people, we begin to feel bad because it's like, oh, this person, I'm a good influence on this person, or this person means something to me, or I mean something to this person. And you begin to feel bad for distancing yourself from that individual. But the fact of the matter is, you're doing a bigger disservice to them by hanging around, because they're keeping you from moving into your highest version. Right? Into a more fulfilled, happier, energetic, more intelligent, more wise, more radiant you. They're a roadblock for you. And poor them for not getting to experience that version of you. So you're doing them a disservice by hanging around and not growing the way you could be growing. Imagine you at level, at a level that's 10 times as high as where you are right now. Wow, maybe you would be an influence, and you'd be able to teach them in a way in which they don't have to drain people's energy, So don't feel bad for that. Don't feel bad for distancing yourself from people, because everybody in life is around for seasons, and that's just life. So get a little space. That might help you out. Now, if distancing yourself is not an option, then the next best thing is to confront them. And I know a lot of people don't like confrontation and conflict, but conflict and confrontation is one of the best ways to rearrange things so that we're existing in a way in which everybody is balanced and happy and centered, and we can move forward from the heart space. If you're avoiding conflict, that means you're holding the conflict in, and now it's affecting you at your heart center, and now you can't engage with each moment in life with your heart fully present. And what a tragedy that is. So confront this person and tell them how you feel. Tell them like, yo, I love you. You're great. You're my best friends. You're my family, or whatever. But you're draining my energy. Why is that? Why do you complain so much? I want to be happy. I want to grow. I want to look for the good in life. And it seems that you're always looking for the bad. Why is that? It makes me not want to be around you. I'm just being honest. Be honest, man. They say truth will set you free, and it will. Even though that rearranging of things may sometimes seem difficult and uncomfortable, but at the end of the day, everybody will be better off for it. So approach them and let them know how you feel. Be real. And the third piece of advice I would offer is to vibrate higher. Vibrate higher. Grow. And, once again, it may be difficult to do that with them around, but if you're just absolutely bent on not confronting them and you can't distance yourself from them, well, crank it into overtime and work on yourself and grow and be an influence on them. Be a reference point for that person so that they know that they don't have to feed off of anybody's energy. Show them what it's like to be independent, strong, happy, and positive, and optimistic. Show them what that looks like. And when you show them what that looks like, it's going to shine a mirror back to them. And they're going to look at themselves, and they're going to do a little soul searching. And they're going to figure out and come to the conclusion that, man, I need to rearrange the way I'm thinking. I need to arrange what I'm doing so that my relationships are healthier. Because if they're draining your energy in a way, and you're unhappy, you know, in that relationship, they may not say anything about it, but they feel it. And they know this isn't the healthiest relationship that you guys can possibly have. So shine a mirror back to them. If you can't verbally say it, then say it with your actions. But I think probably one of the best things to do is just to say something to them. You know, be real with people. Just be real, speak your mind, and speak from your heart. You know, when you speak from your heart in life, things usually work out for the best. And that working out for the best may not necessarily look like what you have in your mind and in your vision, but it works out. But I hope this information aids you, whatever G and whoever else is in this situation. I know I've been there in life, and these 3 tips have definitely aided me in eliminating energy vampires from my life or converting them to energy givers. What would that be? Energy amplifiers. I like that. So much love. You all take care. Till next time. Be easy.